try. Make slime with me. For one, without lime. I'm eating Jolly Ranchers. It slipped out of my mouth. Make slime with me. But this and this. And don't mind this shirt. It's very old. I have a shirt under it. Because this one is bad. And he has shaving cream. So that's my brother. He's just gonna do my biscuits. First I want to do this.
Why?
Because I just have the need to do it.
How many times are you making?
Probably, I don't know. We have to see how much activator we have. Oh, and I also made slimes yesterday.
Oh yeah.
It was like rotten milk.
I have no idea.
What are you doing? Don't pour that yet. Oh, that doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
That does.
Remember we tried last time? Look.
It works fine.
Ew, it's glue coming out. Wait. Hold this. Oh. Oh, it does work.
It's glue evader.
Okay. Do the shaving cream.
Huh?
Yeah. Wait. Put it in your ear. Do you want to get messier now?
No.
Okay. Put it in my hands.
Yo, with the power.
Shake it up.
You need to shake it. Guys, did you see that? It was air.
What if you evaporated?
It was. Wait, don't do it. Don't do it. Let me try.
We'll be back whenever we figure this out.
Okay. Well, I think the shaving cream is dried up. So, I'm just gonna make regular slime. My tongue is blue. Oh. Why would you do that? Hey Mom, I can't get this open. Guys, this is a struggle. I can't squeeze it with one hand. I can't get it. It's like chunky. Feels like there's hair in it. But no, it's just trying to activate. But I don't have that much activator in it. So it's only activating a tiny bit. I'll be back when I get this open, this thing. Okay, I got it open. Oh. Okay, it's activating. The more stretchy it gets, the better. I already know I'm gonna need that, so. see it's activating. Keeps like the slimes from yesterday were way better because they were actually shaving cream slimes. Why is it coming off the pan but not my hand? So slippery. I made slime before. I made 2 yesterday. I've made thousands of slime. I've made icy slimes before. Cause I just, was it icy? No, it was a cloud. Cause I made a slime and then I decided to put snow in it. Or like fake snow. So I made that. I've made different types of like shaving cream slimes. I've made like there's different types of shaving cream and I've used different types. I mean it's kind of forming but my arms hurt. The shaving cream slimes, I realized they take a lot more activator. I'm sorry, I'm just moving because it hurts. Oh, I forgot about the intro. Where my dryer intro slipped out my mouth. I think it's no. Almost though. Oh yeah, my brother just left because the shaving cream is like dried up. And he was just gonna do the shaving cream part. I'm trying to like collect it. Should have just used 2 hands from the start. Just kidding, no I should have. I'm glad I didn't because it would get all over the activator bottle, which it kind of already is. This is a good slime. I think I'm gonna take this slime and then I'm gonna put it in a container and then I'm gonna make a second slime. I'm gonna make it blue. And I'm gonna make this one pink. I'm gonna let it swirl because I've never really done a swirl. But I'm gonna make another one in a different video. Now I'm gonna swirl it in the YouTube short. And I might also put it into a video. I'll put it into a video and a short because some people can't watch YouTube shorts. And some people, I don't know, they can watch YouTube videos. But like I like this slime. I'm just trying to like collect this stuff off the tray. I mean, it's kind of sticky, not really. I say that and it's sticking to my hands, but like it's not that bad for me. Cause like I like sticky slime. Oh dang it, everything. Yeah, I like this slime. I'm also gonna dye it in a different video. Probably in the video in the YouTube short, I'm gonna dye it and then I'm gonna swirl it and add some charms. We'll have to see. But yeah, I like this slime. It's pretty good. So yeah, make sure you watch my next video. Or you can just skip to the YouTube short so I'm gonna make the last one a YouTube short and a video. So you could just skip to that if you want. If you don't want to watch a whole nother exact same process of this. So yeah, bye.